Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Earthful Multivitamin. To begin, simply take one capsule each day. It's best to consume your multivitamin with a meal, as this significantly enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and other nutrients. Establishing a consistent daily routine will help you remember to take it and ensure you receive its full benefits over time. The recommended dosage for Earthful Multivitamin is just one capsule daily. Many people find it easiest to incorporate into their routine by taking it with their breakfast or lunch. This helps ensure you don't forget and also aids in better nutrient absorption. Remember, taking any multivitamin on an empty stomach can sometimes lead to mild digestive upset, so always pair it with food. To truly maximize the benefits of your Earthful Multivitamin, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water daily. While the multivitamin provides essential nutrients, it works best when complemented by a balanced and varied diet. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. It's crucial to remember not to exceed the recommended daily dosage of one capsule, as more isn't always better and can sometimes be harmful. Always store your Earthful multivitamins safely out of reach of children and pets. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this fantastic product, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.